Hey guys, we are the machine factory from China. We are the supplier for the machines. Today we will share how to separate the frame and glass with the for minus 185 degree freezer. And also we will teach you how to use the RMB machine to laminate the glass.
With this machine, do you need air compressor anymore? No need. Do you need vacuum pump anymore? No need. For OCA machine? No need. Laminating machine? No need. Separated bubble remover? No need. Only one machine can repair all the model of the glass broken LCD.
Okay, now let's do it. The first step, we will use the forward minus 185 degree freezer to separate the frame first.
Now we open the cover of the freezer and clean the floors first. Put the LCD on the panel of the freezer.
Now we need to set the time to 5 minutes and confirm it and start the timing.
Need to wait for 5 minutes about. Open the machine and start to separate the frame, and then we use the small knife to open the gap. After that, we can start to separate the frame from the gap with a card. When you separate it, you need to be careful. Firstly, we need to separate one side that without flex cable. Secondly, we use the card to separate the side with cable. If the LCD does not separate immediately, then we need to put it on the panel again, then use the card to separate it. Now it's okay. Next step, we need to separate the glass from the LCD. Just need 2 minutes, it's okay.
Okay, you can see the LCD directly separated.
Now we start to text. Touch work well, and also display work well. And now we can check. The glue is completely removed.
Firstly, put the OCA mat on the base mold. Put the OCA on the mold and then let it stick to the OCA mat. Put the glass on the mold. And take out the protector of the OCA, and then put the glass mold on the base mold. Send the base mold into the RMB machine. Now we need to choose OCA laminate pattern and start to laminate. Take out the base mold when the vacuum dump to 0 and check the glass. Near no have the bubble. Now we remove the bubble with the machine and we choose the OCA bubble pattern. Set 2 minutes. Start the bubble remove inside the machine. After that, we start to laminate the LCD. Put the flex cable mat on the base board. And then we put the LCD on the mold. And also we need to stick the LCD on the flex cable mat and clean the LCD carefully. And now we need to take out the protector of the OCA. And put the glass mold on the base mold. Finally, we need to send the base mold into the machine again. Now we choose the LCD laminate pattern and start to laminate the LCD. Laminating is finished. We take out the base mold and check the LCD. You can see, just have a little bubble. And then we need to remove the bubble.
Choose LCD bubble pattern. And set 2 minutes. Enter. And now start.
Now bubble remove is done. We take out the LCD and test. Okay, everything worked well. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in it, you can call us, follow these ways. Go to our Alibaba shop, then you can buy the goods directly on the internet.